$150. Where? Guys, get in here. Let me show you how you can achieve this look for just $5. You heard me right. This beautiful Yankee twist right here for just 5. Let's get into it. And hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izunye and we are back at it again. Today I'll be showing you how to use this wool right here to achieve that beautiful Yankee twist you saw at the very beginning. Now I'll be using a blend of color black and orange in ratio 2:1. Okay, you can see that the orange is really bright, so I don't want it to blow the black out so much, so I use 2 of black to 1 of the orange. So yeah, so I'm going to keep pulling this hair apart, as you can see from the video, until the colors are perfectly blended together. And once that is done, I take that comb right there, the brush, and brush the hair out and then go in with my straightening iron. Guys, I really advise you go through this step because this is really important in giving you silky, softer, and bouncy, juicy curls that was mind-blowing for me in the end. I advise you do this even if you're working with Kanekalon braiding hair. This will always give you a better result. Like the hair is going to feel so soft. So don't skip this step because it's really important. You can see how the comb is moving freely right there once I was done with that. So I take a tiny piece of hair like this. Guys, this has to be really small because we are going for micro twist, literally. So I twist the straw like that just to keep the beginning tight, the loop tight, and then I started twisting and turning, moving in that spiral direction as I go, making sure like I have uniform spaces in between. So guys, I left this in real time so that you guys can see how I am doing this without fast forwarding. Now if you think that this is a lot of work, you can choose to use bigger size of hair to do this. Now when you get to the point where you're going to twist this, you can now start separating them and to the size of twist that you want. But just bear in mind that you're not going to get that perfect definition and juicy twist just like I did. Don't worry, you're gonna see because I tried everything just to show you guys. Okay, now once I get to the end of this, you can see I'm going to tie whatever tiny piece of hair that is left really tight in that circular motion until everything is secured properly. Now I put everything that I've coiled into this bowl and added some conditioner, obviously to tame the frizz, and poured some hot water over it. Now remember what I say all the time, that the fiber that this is made of is a lot stronger than Kanekalon braiding hair. So it is advisable you let hot water, get every part of this hair, or even soak it a while into hot water. But because this bowl cannot, I can't submerge the entire thing into the water, I just keep pouring it over and over to just make sure that the hot water gets to every single strand so well that the curl stays. Okay, once I am done with this, I just take it out and let that air dry completely. And the next day, this is what I have. So I'm going to take this out of the straw and by just pushing it forward, and it comes out really easy. So I trim off the ends and there you have it. This is, if you want to stop at this step, if you want just crochet braid that is not Yankee twist, you can really stop here. But if I'm going to make this, it won't be this tiny. Now when separated, this is what you have. Like when you open it up and separate it, this is what I have. Now it is time for the twisting. As you can see, I take one piece and I place it over the cable like so, and it just twist it loose, like really loose. I don't know if you can see that it's loose. I don't know if it's obvious that I'm doing some loose twist, but I am really doing loose twist. I don't know, it looks like it's tight watching it, but this is some loose twist. So yeah, So now I'm going to twist this to the finish, and once I get to the end, I join the little piece left together and I twirl them, and that's basically it for this. Now it is easy, but I am going to warn you, this takes time because I had to make 250 pieces of this for my hair. So you're going to call the calling step, you're going to do 250, and the twisting stage you're going to do 250. Okay, so for me it wasn't so much of a work. I have 80 straws, so I have to do that in batches. So yeah, it didn't really felt like so much work. And when it came to twisting, you can literally twist all of this in like 3 hours. All right, twisting doesn't really take much of a time. So yeah, but just know that this is time consuming. It's not like all those really quick and fast DIYs that I show you here, but this is worth it in the end. You can see how beautiful that is looking already. Okay, are you enjoying the video so far? If you are, please click on the thumbs up button and give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell to stay notified and know every single time I upload a brand new video. On this channel, I create beautiful DIYs with the most affordable extensions out there. And if you have time on your hands, you can make these for resale. If I can achieve this result with a wool, how much more braiding hair, your regular braiding hair that is way softer? Guys, you know how much these companies out there sell these? Okay, you can even make money out of this. So stay glued to this channel because I have so much more coming for you guys. I told you earlier that you can call this big and now twist it small. This is the result that you have right here, and I am not satisfied with this. This one that I am touching right now is bigger than the initial ones that I started with, but I still had to twist it that way so that I don't end up with this one in the middle. I'm not a fan. Now look at them side by side. It's bigger, but it's manageable. So that is it, you guys. Look at the finished result of this Yankee twist. Guys, this is so soft, so smooth, so juicy, bouncy. Like the movement you get with this, it's mind blowing. Now watch out for the next tutorial for the installation because I just don't want this video to be too long. Just a gentle reminder that we started out here with some black and orange wool to what I have on my hair, which you're going to see in the coming video how I installed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys on my next one. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye guys.